Let me tell you how to use Autofill and Flash Fill feature. Excel provides two wonderful features, Autofill and Flash Fill, to enter data quickly in a worksheet instead of entering it manually. Let's first talk about Autofill. The autofill is the easiest method to fill data automatically in the worksheet cells. Type January in cell B1. Position the pointer at the lower right corner of the cell. The mouse pointer changes into a black plus cross symbol. Hold down the left mouse button and drag the fill handle up to cell B5. Release the button. The months February to May would appear in the cells B2 to B5. Now let me give you a few tips. If the source cell contains text, a number, a formula, a day or a month, the autofill feature copies the data from the source cell to the destination cells. In case of numbers, type two consecutive numbers to fill the series while using the autofill feature. Now let us talk about Flash Fill. Flash Fill introduced in Excel 2013 is a time-saving feature which identifies the data fill pattern that you use frequently in a worksheet and then fills the remaining series accordingly. Let us try it practically. Make two columns, names and initials in Excel sheet. Fill the data in names column and given in the figure. The initials column should have data that is combination of the first characters of first name and the last name, example RK for Ravi Kumar. Type RK in the initials column and press Enter key. Click on the Fill drop-down arrow present on the Home tab in the Editing group and select the Flash Fill option. You can also use the shortcut key Ctrl+E. The initials of rest of entries will be automatically added in the remaining cells of the initials column. Students know that all the above explained features like inserting and deleting cells, rows and columns, moving and copying the data, autofill and flash fill work in the same manner in Excel 2013 as they work in Excel 2016. Also notice that you can minimize a workbook window to an icon by pressing Ctrl+F9 key combination. Ctrl+F10 maximizes or restores the selected workbook window. Let us quickly glance through the key points discussed in this chapter. To make the entry of digits as text, you have to begin the entry with apostrophe. The appearance of date and time on a worksheet depends on the date format applied to the cell. You can edit the cell contents directly and replace them with a new entry. The overtype mode can be turned on by double-clicking the cell and pressing the Insert key. The cell contents can also be modified by using F2 key. The shortcut keys to perform cut, copy and paste operations are Ctrl+X, Ctrl+C and Ctrl+V respectively. Autofill is the easiest method to fill data in cells automatically. Flash Fill is a time-saving feature which identifies the data fill pattern that you use frequently in a worksheet and then fills the remaining series accordingly.